Hey, Chris Brown.
Malik Basintale.
Or the infoni be abeto.
Malik Basintale. No answer in common AD.
I'm so a Savannah Chris Brown.
And then you over to be Oguzo and you so the Oguzo Tonyo media.
I tell when was it there?
Our the infoni be 2 million or so now. Or the you had infoni to on chain.
Oh, openly on first screenshot team money event to Sanagana for whom I
screenshot in the event
to Sanagana for whom said
5.1.
And you might say now, what you say, you might say now, yeah.
Check crew no, why crew no, ube who crew no.
Edim,
crew no. And then was or the you had infonia to left. And or the we saying be no what to right in there, a form and what caption no. That man called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Talk and do. What will Ghana have been without you? We are grateful, sir. The unborn generation is grateful. Air Ghana has landed.
Jose, kind of be. Oh, kind of be more.
Yeah. I'm full, in fact.
That man called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Talk and do. What will Ghana have been without you? We are grateful, sir.
95.1.
The unborn generation is grateful.
Okay.
Air Ghana has landed.
Air Ghana has landed. Okay. That the lying word. Air Ghana has landed. Okay.
Not the
media no.
Media no basis.
Obia chocho na we communicators no ma confirm for bi no mo dia to ho no mo tro Ghana Airways has been revived. Ghana Airways has been revived. Okay. Air Ghana. Air Ghana is here to stay. And who say one Facebook page be
Abusa from mamu ina makwaba e de ba Ghana nsem TV so. But one so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Be next time. I have videos of this nature, but also submit my kabi. Now so watch the watch oh comment section of the mamisa. So the munyina muni me me Mr. President. Mo ase me be som mo. I dey ma exclusive news. Ghana nsem TV there. So the name say busia. TV by chance be ye offer. Was all boy me. Set up studio. So boy mic any ade o reach through number na that's on ensa beka na me saka so me da was pen me be so nso na Mr. Speaker Onua TV oma di nkomo bi na nkomo na emede na ye ka Onua TV a menu nim say Onua TV there NBC 4 TV station number 1 pa ni Onua TV se ye beka no kora me pa so nim any other NDC number 1 TV station e twa Onua TV a obetumi da to comment section ho dia mame Wadaroma. Now Onua TV campaign massively at the NDC MPP. Pa TV station omudi jandam and tro and omudi deep on Ghana pa MPP pa. Onua TV can never be taken out of them. Now surprisingly, some of the workers for Onua TV they are coming back to their senses. I mean, for those of them who worked against the new Patriotic Party. Na mekasi aseme na mpese mechire na ochiye mu ana Malik Basintale. You see, when arrogance begins to set in your life, you might think you are the best out of everybody. You are the best, but Ghana for the over to level mo say there be unnu ho na tobo ebi na Basintale face no Abuja ye won ma de a che no patutu say you sure kwa yi say ja aban kankan abaso nti aduane di 001 e kom nkwa na ekuye ti eto na ya foso ya fast senya sade na e kom nkwa na mesi me ko Facebook akobo mani so akonhoma me koya Basintale na atwere bibia busuya ye ko also the man called John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. He is the talk and do man. What would Ghana have been without you? Hey Basintale sabi the big six crampon. Ghana is doing better without them, or Ghana was doing better without them until His Excellency John Dramani Mahama came into the picture, and Ghana is doing worse without them. Dean Bessie and Dean Basintale to my Basintale say, what would Ghana have been without His Excellency John? Me Pastor John Dramani Mahama Bayano, dear no Daka Ghana. Aside this a bank of Ghana airbook and dear no Daka Ghana. Aside this a gold board air jink of Fusi Kapudu the allegedly, a dear no Daka Ghana. Basintale out of ignorance and arrogance. As chef Ghana for him. A post to say, what would Ghana have been without His Excellency John Dramani Mahama? You know, when you get to have power, a todana one general, but you know, we're going to squeeze the hell out of him. Send him back to his senses. Because oh good Ghana anymore say, oh good Ghana youth anymore say, oh good politicians anymore say, and he must be called into order. Na me de nyame kwana my justice to him. As Onua TV for di Basintale ho fel. Na Onua TV de kenim say NDG for TV station party dey na say omudi Basintale ho fel sabuja. Ya come Ministry of Transport. And Trump Basintale could chat about the if I say the air Ghana so then they flight half plane cargo plane o. Ya the fan yoma, ya fan for passengers. Abuja say be kasa too much. Mummy ko video ni meba, yes be have a discussion.
Don't worry. It's a fast one. Oh yes, I'm a strike. I went into. Don't worry. Why they make me the teacher strike? Labor Commission
negotiation. Why they make? I can't bad though.
Yes. Can't bad. Yeah, an idiot.
Nice. Come on,
and you may your media not in a who say. The CEO for YE.
Hey, Chris Brown.
Malik Basintale.
Or the infoni be abeto.
Malik Basintale. No answer in common AD.
I'm sorry, Savannah Chris Brown.
And then you over to be Oguzo and you so Oguzo Tonyum media.
I tell when was it there?
Our the infoni be 2 million or so now. Or the you hand infoni to on chain. Oh, opening on first screenshot team money event to Sanagana for whom I
screenshot in the debate.
Event to Sanagana for whom say
5.1.
And you might say now, what you say, you might say now, yeah.
Check crew no, why crew no, ube who crew no.
Edim,
crew no. And there was or the you want info to left. And or the we saying be no wato right in there, a form and what caption no. That man called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Talk and do. What will Ghana have been without you? We are grateful, sir. The unborn generation is grateful. Air Ghana has landed.
Ose, kind of be. Oh, kind of be more.
Yeah.
I'm full. In fact,
that man called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Talk and do. What will Ghana have been without you? We are grateful, sir.
95.1.
The unborn generation is grateful.
Okay.
Air Ghana has landed.
Air Ghana has landed. Okay. That the lying word. Air Ghana has landed. Okay.
Not the.
It's your honey who's a media, no?
Media no basis. Air basis.
Ubia chocho na you communicators. No more confirm for Nibi. No more diato. No more tro. Ghana Airways has been revived. Ghana Airways has been revived.
Okay.
Air Ghana. Air Ghana is here to stay. And I'm going to say, one Facebook page be.
Yeah.
When you mean the Ghana passport office, meaning say I bind the I mean you sure say I bind them.
I'm not sure say I bind them.
And you bind them. Say communicators there no more create accounts. You know what they are binding out to so.
Yeah. I bind them.
No, I bet you. In the exact I say this is say close your eyes if you don't have passport. The Ghana flag is back in the air. This is cargo. One for the passengers is on its way.
Okay.
Hey. Now information in Namibia also.
Okay.
And in Namibia also now boys in the room.
Get information no.
No boys in the room. Into your hall. And here I didn't say that be. Yeah, my information is like this.
Yembwechiri ni ahade.
Yembwechiri ni
yembwechiri ni ahade.
Details ni wa he. Yeah, course be Ministry of Transport Ghana Airport Company. I'm say yeah, ni mo hwe. Yeah, ni mo hwe.
I'm say bo.
Yeah, nya bibia wa ha.
Bibia wa ha o.
Nti ya boy che na ye ko Google Air Ghana.
Okay.
Ye Google ye ni say some websites na dey nyina. Nti ye be a website no. That is www.airghana.com. Na information you ho no say almost say a Ghanaian cargo air freight operator.
Okay.
With over 30 years of aviation experience. Delivering cargo with precision, consistency, and operational confidence. Let's say a cargo airliner Ghana ha operate for the past 30 years.
For 30 years.
30 years. The owner of the business, they can who?
I'm on the
background.
Take over.
Take over. Now, I say information. No, and do a check a cam. We say 4 days ago. The current CEO, no, a man now. Oh,
yeah. Unanebano.
He's Ghanaian Lebanese.
Okay.
Onua. Oh yeah, press conference. Yeah. A press engagement. So he spoke to the press and then gave the press oh, Onua to Boeing 737-400 Nibi. Na ebeba be do on 5th May 2026.
Okay. What you said?
That's information. Obem say boy it's na hu ho no. Nti omu hu say yina ba be do aye twamfo nyina. Emi say obi oya adwuma airport ho na otwamfo nyin the man boys no what time so.
Say
Ghana is not.
Now we are back in the air.
I will do Ghana is back in. Say Ghana or air num for 30 years square any that.
Say I believe that Amanfoɔ started PK almost funny serious because Malik post 2 year and the caption need nyama otro no. And Amanfoɔ gidi say oya buying a CEO of an agency. No, tradi with it means that are authentic. That is the reason the amount for funny serious.
I'm a media houses need the code card.
Yes, I'm a media houses need be picky the code card because it is coming from you.
They say they are
as a CEO. And you know if
there's a code card no.
Code card they are
yes.
I'm to
I want to be the first to break the news, you know.
Credibility is on the line.
Yes. And you know if
you can fake news who has some more misinformation.
Exactly.
I need to change for.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't have to see you, Anna.
Because misinformation.
What must inform me the whole Ghana? And you know, because I'm not for funny serious because it is coming from him. I don't know what posty. So people assume that okay, if it is coming from Malik, it means that oh, I didn't know authentic. And the way I tried, I didn't know authentic.
And the tintin in the theater, you answer Ghana airline.
Ghana go to airline. Yeah, that be Ghana to airline.
I'm for I
will be business, no. Or be private business. Or be private business.
The tintin in the theater, you know.
Yes.
And open come wire tintin, you know. And they say,
Ghana will say my. I shall see
a child go say, oh my, you had in
my.
In your mind,
ain't this a
baby? I never buy.
But he's
1 year.
My.
Matisia so foko fo dro seden. Ye mo mpa na dru so ni nyai. Sempa bonko na ya de nyina. Enka wasa wa sole ala baska nka hiafo nim. Enso hiafo bebre. A wosa dwom sika. Ena o yire de nyam hotam. Sempa bonko na ya de nyina. Eka so fo ekotwa Mahama ho ehia lokutus. Wakuma panti ya de o mana hya wonsa eye dede a se nyame na yikyire o mo se akoma pampa nka ni Ghana fo wiye ne sempai bonko na ya de nyina ene se ka president Mahama Assemblies of God ni a o cartons hwe se de Ghana wiye sam wakonu adu mo sole mo mani pe home ena mo de nyamnya hye machi utu se nyame mfrɛ o bade pastor bade pastor nyame flash okwa no afrew esumutu di Mahama chi na munim se nyame na yikyire mo se odi Mahama ba mpa nyame agya mo nyame agya no nyame na yenko bompa ye nkyere no se o ma koso mo light ni nyina so no se nyame ya na mo sabe ka kire se ye fen se o no se ye fa Mahama mra anenne odi Ghana Japan nyina mani nua nyame ehu kokwa kuafo kokrafo sika wafadi nyame sa nyame ne wa hu bade pastors nyame mfremo aza sika ni bre mo ha mo ni mo ko hu tintin mutiri hu tintin eje hiafo sika di sempai bonko na ya de nyina ka Pentecostal churches miama sorry Pentecost ka hiafo nim because empire 24/7 ya dwen ba omi na kufu ado na nyampai bo eyom yisu o ma dwen omo nimdie wa mamu ho ba omia o nimdie wa mamu ho si ya mompaye aya ya bosoro ya bosase adwene ko ade mamadi amfa ko bompaye no ya waka ba de pastors amafu e de hiamo